Welcome. Today we embark on a journey. We seek balance within. We invite positive energy to flow. Our chakras are energy centers. They influence our well-being. When balanced, we thrive. Through meditation and visualization, we can harmonize these energy centers. We cultivate peace, joy, and vitality. Let this journey be gentle. Let it be loving. Let it guide you to a state of balance and positivity. Find a comfortable seat. Close your eyes gently. Take a deep breath in. Fill your lungs with air. Slowly exhale, releasing any tension. Let go of thoughts. Let go of worries. Continue breathing deeply. With each inhale, invite calmness. With each exhale, release stress. You are safe. You are held. You are ready to begin. Bring your awareness to the base of your spine. This is your root chakra, your foundation. Visualize a vibrant red light. Feel its warmth and stability. This is the energy of grounding, of security, of being rooted in the present moment. Repeat these words silently. I am grounded. I am safe. I am supported. Move your attention to your lower abdomen below your navel. This is your sacral chakra, the center of creativity and pleasure. Visualize a radiant orange light. Feel its warmth and fluidity. This is the energy of creativity, of passion, of embracing your emotions. Repeat these words silently. I am creative. I am passionate. I embrace my emotions. Section 5. Stepping into your power. The solar plexus chakra. Now bring your focus to your upper abdomen, above your navel. This is your solar plexus chakra, the center of personal power and self-esteem. Visualize a bright yellow light. Feel its strength and confidence. This is the energy of self-worth, of determination, of stepping into your power. Repeat these words silently. I am powerful. I am confident. I believe in myself. Section 6. Opening your heart to love, the heart chakra. Shift your attention to the center of your chest, your heart space. This is your heart chakra, the center of love, compassion, and forgiveness. Visualize a vibrant green light. Feel its warmth, its tenderness, its healing power. This is the energy of love for yourself and others, of forgiveness, of deep compassion. Imagine this green light expanding, growing brighter and more intense with each breath you take. As you inhale, feel the love and compassion filling your heart. As you exhale, let go of any negativity, any grudges, any pain. Allow this green light to envelop your entire being, creating a protective and nurturing aura around you. This is the essence of the heart chakra, a place where you can find peace and solace. Repeat these words silently. I am love. I am compassionate. I forgive myself and others. Feel the truth of these affirmations resonating within you, strengthening your heart chakra. Embrace this moment of connection with your inner self and carry this feeling of love and compassion with you throughout your day. Remember, the heart chakra is always there, ready to guide you towards a life filled with love and understanding. Section 7. Speaking your truth, the throat chakra. Move your focus to your throat. This is your throat chakra, the center of communication and self-expression. Visualize a clear blue light. Feel its coolness and clarity. This is the energy of speaking your truth, of expressing yourself authentically, of communicating with kindness. Repeat these words silently. I speak my truth. I express myself authentically. I communicate with kindness. Section 8. Trusting your intuition, the third eye chakra. Now bring your attention to the space between your eyebrows, your third eye center. This is the seat of your intuition and wisdom. Visualize a deep indigo light. Feel its stillness and insight. This is the energy of intuition, of inner wisdom, of seeing beyond the surface. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of any doubts or fears clouding your mind. Imagine this indigo light growing brighter and more vibrant with each breath you take. It is a beacon of clarity and understanding, illuminating the path ahead. As you focus on this light, allow yourself to connect deeply with your inner self. Trust that this light will guide you through any uncertainties you may face. It is a source of profound knowledge and clarity, helping you to see the truth in every situation. Repeat these words silently. I trust my intuition. I am guided by my inner wisdom. I see clearly. Feel the power of these affirmations resonating within you, strengthening your connection to your third eye chakra. Embrace the wisdom and insight that comes from within, and let it guide you on your journey. Section 9. Connecting to the divine, the crown chakra. The crown chakra, also known as Sahasrara, is the seventh primary chakra according to Hindu tradition. It is located at the top of the head and is associated with pure consciousness and spiritual awakening. Finally, bring your awareness to the crown of your head. Feel the gentle energy that resides there, waiting to be awakened. This is your crown chakra, your connection to the divine. It is the gateway to higher states of consciousness and enlightenment. Visualize a radiant violet light. This light represents the infinite wisdom and boundless love of the universe. Feel its expansiveness, its connection to something greater than yourself. Imagine this light expanding beyond your physical body, connecting you to the cosmos. This is the energy of spiritual connection, of unity, of knowing that you are part of something much larger. It is the realization that you are a divine being having a human experience. Repeat these words silently. I am connected. Feel the truth of these words resonate within you. I am whole. I am divine. Embrace the sense of completeness and divinity that these affirmations bring. Take a deep breath in, feeling the energy of all 7 chakras balanced and aligned. Imagine the energy flowing freely from the base of your spine to the crown of your head. As you exhale, carry this sense of balance and positivity with you into your day. You are radiant, you are powerful, you are loved. Remember that the crown chakra is your connection to the divine, and through it, you can access infinite wisdom and love. Let this awareness guide you in all that you do.